Problem 23, we're working with some logarithms and trying to figure these out without a calculator. So see if we understand these logs. So the first one, I'm adding logarithms with the same base. If no base is written, it's a base of 10. So they have the same base. And what we've learned before is that when you add logarithms, I can write this as 1 log by taking the two things that I'm taking the log of previously and multiplying them. So this is the same thing as log of 100. So again, my base is 10 because it's not written, so it's then always assumed to be 10. And if you remember, logarithms are basically another way of writing exponents. So this is saying 10 to what power equals 100. So this log of 100 actually represents the number 2, because 10 squared is 100. So log of 4 plus log of 25 equals 2. Let's take a look at problem B. The numerator for B is 7 to the log base 7 of 3. That might be hard to kind of figure out what that actually equals. So let's say it equals some value x. And just to make this look a little bit differently as well, this is written in exponential form. It's 7 to some value u equals x. U is the same as this, log base 7 of 3. I'm just using u substitution. If I would switch this problem right here to its logarithm equivalent, I would get, with a base of 7, log base 7 of x equals u. Now, replacing u with what u actually is, so if I get rid of that and I put in log base 7 of 3, we can now see that log base 7 of x and log base 7 of 3, x equals 3. So for this, my numerator is 3. Looking at the denominator, I'm going to do something similar with that. The denominator is log base 5 of 5 to the 4th. Now let's say that equals something. Let's just call it y. This is in logarithm form. I want to switch it to its exponential equivalent. So base of 5, so a base of 5. To the y power equals what I'm taking the log of, 5 to the 4th. So I have 5 to the y equals 5 to the 4th, so we can see that y equals 4. So the denominator, all of this equals 4. So this crazy looking fraction actually is 3/4. No calculators. Hope that helps.